Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting one clear image and access ready. Choose a 1920 by 1080 or 3840 by 2160 JPG or PNG so the art scales correctly. Then sign into the same Microsoft account on your Xbox and OneDrive. Once done, upload the file to OneDrive or copy it to a FAT32 USB stick. Either route lets the console read the image. Make sure the file name has no exotic characters so the Xbox can detect it. Now move the file onto the Xbox. If you used OneDrive, open the OneDrive app on Xbox or access OneDrive in the guide, open the Pictures folder and find your upload. If you used a USB, insert it, launch Media Player and browse to the picture. Once the image is visible on the console, open it full screen. You need the image selected so the Xbox can present the set as background option. This step connects the file to the system UI. With the picture open, press the menu button and choose Set as Background or go to My Background and select Set. The system will crop or fit the image, make adjustments if needed. If the option is missing, make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account used to upload and confirm the file format and size are supported. Re-upload in JPG if necessary. If problems persist, restart the Xbox, clear cache by power cycling, then try the upload.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.